बोलिए श्री प्राणनाथ प्यारे की जय, धाम के धनी की जय, कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल की जय। प्रथम लागू दो चरण को, धनिये न छुड़ाए छिन, लाख कली लाल एड़िया, मेरे जीव की जीवन। इन पाँव तले पड़ी रहूं, धनी नजर खोलो बातू, पलना मानो निरख नेत्रे, मेरे जीव के जीवन। वंदो सतगुरु चरण को, कहूँ सो प्रेम प्रणाम, अशुभ हरन मंगल करन, धनी श्री देव चंद्र जीना। श्री प्राणनाथ निज मूलपति, श्री महराज सुनो, तेज कुंवर श्यामा युगल को, पल पल करूं प्रणाम, पल पल करूं प्रणाम। ये श्री प्राणनाथ प्यारे की जय। अक्षर की धामधन श्री राजी महाराज, श्री श्यामा जी महाराज और उन सभी के लाडले सुरदा साहब जी, आप सभी के चरणों में मेरा प्रणाम। Today, by the grace of Sri Prannath Ji and an awakened mind blessed by Bhakti, I am going to contemplate on the topic given to me, Vani Garment. The literal meaning of Vani can be discussed over decades and decades, and different definitions and importances could come through various tools. But in all, Vani is not a mere collection of words. It is not each and every word which came out of someone's mouth. It is not even a noun. It is an adjective which can be described as a thought process carved into a form of a book, yet so divine that it does not portray a book. It is so powerful that it exhibits meaning of each and every word it is literally from. Hence, concisely, anything meaningful put together can be termed as word. But today, when I pursue this topic, when I mention Vani, I refer to the Vani descended by Sri Akshar Paramahansa Sri Raji, which is rightly described through a verse, Vani mere priyo, न्यारी जो संसार, मेरा कार के पार में दिन पार के भी पार. It is unique, it is different from any other entity, any other form of knowledge which has ever descended on this earth. That is why it is referred as an ocean so deep, whose even drops are priceless. The lords of Trilokas are dying to obtain it. That means, that justifies that it has something different from it, which has never been mentioned, which has never been talked about. I began my charcha with a special prayer, which mentioned in Paon Tale Padi. I want to recite in their feet, whose feet Shri Yoga Sarva. I want to recite there. I am reciting there, but I am also a part of this game. A character, I am living this game. And how to experience that position, how to remain in that position while still being stuck here. I obtained that for my life. That is why it is so priceless, it is so precious, it is so unique, it is different. It was not like the existence in this transitory world has not provided with me with any forms of knowledge, any clues of who the divine entity is, the cause of my existence, the creation of this world, and whom to have faith upon. But all those teachings I can conclude with a line, without a doubt, that I am still in a doubt. And what difference did Jagni have on me? What more did Tatamani add to my knowledge? In my many endeavors of understanding Sri Tatamani through the most condensed forms which would fit into my mind of the verses beautifully carved by Sri Pranayanaji, I can at least say that I learned this. Har Shri Ram, Ane Shri Krishna, E Fal Sar Tamota. Any actions which may have been performed by me, by us, any actions which we could perform in future, which we are performing, cannot render us anything more than short-term, small, transitory fruits. But the only immortal effect, the only immortal experience we can ever live in this life is by Tata, is through Tata. Next, the most basic form of pleasure granted to me by Tatamana was a way made available to their feet. I mentioned the feet of Sri Swarup. I have a way made available. Let me explain through an example. If a wife who is living away from her husband, she is missing her so much, what would she rather choose? His photograph or a ticket to the place where he already is, where she has already been before? What should she rather have, a model created of his husband or a key to the place where he is living? I think the answer to these simple choices are even simpler. Then that answer can be summarized as Tatamani. Tatamani is that ticket which takes us on the journey to attain eternal bliss, to be Sanmukh with Sri Raji Maharaj. It is that key which opens the door of Nijnam, where we used to reside, where we still are residing, but our souls are watching the scale, and it is the only key which can stop us from that, which can bring our normal lives back. How? Esatvani matke, liyo jo inko sara. The understanding of this Vani gives us sar of my kaun, kahan se aaya, kaun mera bhanda, which generates a Swarup. No picture, no murti can ever generate. Swarup is that journey to the eternal bliss. Not even one Swarup. Many thousands of verses having lakhs of words can generate uncountable Swarups of Sri Raji Maharaj and Sri Bharata. After so much thought, I am confused, still confused, how to put into words importance of something which has only given me all these words which I am speaking to. I can only be thankful. I can only be comparative between the times when I didn't have those words. Tartham Noor Pragatya, in Teje Uraya Akash, Lago Shikhar Patala, Abrahana Pagado Prakash. In the absence of Tartham, there was no light. There was an unclear way in the forms of Ved and Katek, and in the forms of many attempts by various Mahapurushs to explain those Ved and Katek. But I can safely say that those ways were no ways, because it was still unclear without the Tatamana. Tatam has blessed us with an extensive divine light that illuminated the way through the seven Akash, all over to the Yogamaya, to the Akshardham, to Paramdham. The abode of Aksharathi. But this vastness of Tata could also create complexities in the forms of certain conflicts. But that is why Mahamati has said in itself, दे में तुमको गुलशन इनको किया डर पढ़ो मेरे कलाम को भाग्य सारी सर, which highlights that our focus from all the knowledge which we gather from Tartamani, from all the pictures which we create in our mind through Tartamani, should only and only come to the conclusion of the aim of divine love. It should not be distorted the barriers of ego on having more knowledge than someone else, through the barriers of anger, which contradicts the views of different people, so the barriers of attachment, which may have developed over these years. It distorts all of them, in addition to giving us our identity, in addition to enable us to know where we have come from. And it has ended the only conflict it could create in itself. Hereby, I end my contemplation with an apology to those who I might have hurt in my relentless effort to throw light on importance of मेरे जीवन के आधार श्री तात्मा बोले श्री कान्नाथ प्यारे की जय। बाबा दयाराम साहेब आपकी सदा